again. I know it's been a long time since I have made a video for you guys, so I decided to unbox two of my Barbie Skipper Babysitters ink that I've recently gotten. So we have two dolls here today. So we've got this doll and we've got this doll that comes with a baby and some accessories. So let's start off opening this doll and yeah, let's check it out. Okay guys, so here she is outside of her box. She is so pretty. She's wearing a dress with like stars on it, and she's wearing pink sort of lip gloss, sort of like I am today, and she's carrying a phone with her, as most Barbie Skipper Babysitters ink dolls do. And she's also wearing purple sneakers as well. And what she comes with is a baby bottle. And there's some cutout pieces. I wish these were actual physical things, but I guess that's just how it is. So you get like a tablet of some sort, a baby toy, and sandwich, 2 pieces of bread, but yeah, so that comes with this doll. Yeah. So the next thing that we're going to unbox is this Barbie Skipper's Babysitters ink, and yeah, so let's open it up. Oh, and guys, I just think the cartoon little animated version of her is really cute. That is really adorable. So we finally got her out, and this is how she looks like. I know she looks like a basic Barbie doll, but if you look closer, she has a different eye color, and she's got freckles, which is really cute. She's wearing a girl power top and an animal print sort of skirt, and she's also wearing purple sneakers as well. And she comes with this beautiful, adorable little baby who she'll be looking after. And the playset also comes with a towel for the baby. We also have a little tablet of things to do, a to-do list, which is really cute. And we also have a baby bottle. And we also have a spoon. And we have some baby food as well. That's really adorable. And this really cute little teddy bear, which I think is so adorable. And we'll just show you guys how that looks like. Yeah. Little teddy. That is so cute, guys. Yeah, so that is what came with the playset. So yeah, I know this was a quick video, guys, but I hope that was cool and you guys found that interesting to watch. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll be unboxing more dolls that I have, because I still have quite a few dolls that I've yet to unbox. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a lovely day, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!